Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Regale Wine subscription, okay, or membership. So first of all, if we talk about, there is only one method by which you can cancel your membership. So you need to compose an email. The email you can see, this is the email format. You need to compose an email related to your membership. You need to provide your information related to your membership, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation. And once you've done this email compose, you can take help from ChatGPT also. And once you've done this thing, you need to send this email at this email address info@regalewine.com, okay. And once you've done this thing, after you can three quarterly wines sections, they will cancel your subscription. But make sure, try to send your cancellation of email prior to your next billing date, okay. And if we talk about if there is any other issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.